Hi, welcome to Avis Rent a Car. My name is Minna. How can I help you?
I have a reservation for a car.
Yes, okay. I would like to see your driver's license, please. If you please can put it on the table. Perfect, Mr. Sivola. You can take it back again. I founded your reservation here, so I please need to see your Avis preferred card. If you could swipe it into the credit card reader, please.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Thank you very much. I will now print a rental agreement for you. Please sign it. Take a copy of this one. So please open the cover of the table and place it into the scanner.
Is it okay now?
Yes, thank you very much. You can take it back. Please open locker number 2, and there's your cards.
Yeah.
Can I help you with something else?
No problem.
Okay, thank you. Have a nice drive.
Yeah. See ya.
See you.